बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
इन्ना अअतैनाकल कौसर।
ऐ मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, हमने तुमको कौसर अता फरमाई है।
फसल्लि लिरब्बिक वन्हर।
तो अपने परवरदिगार के लिए नमाज पढ़ा करो और कुर्बानी किया करो।
इन्न शानिअक हुवल अबतर।
कुछ शक नहीं कि तुम्हारा दुश्मन ही बे औलाद रहेगा।
सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Okay, let's begin. We stand up straight and face our feet towards the Qibla. Arms on our sides and head up, we fix our eyes on the prayer mat. We're about to begin Salah, so no more fidgeting. We raise our hands to our ears.
Allahu Akbar.
Our palms face the Qibla. We place our right hand over the left and rest them both just below our belly button. We place 3 fingers on the wrist. The thumb and small finger wrap around the wrist.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك.
Now, while standing, we pray Surah Fatiha first and then another surah.
दो मोटे मोटे हाथ, दो मोटे मोटे पाँव, दो मोटे मोटे हाथ, दो मोटे मोटे पाँव। छोटी सी एक दुम है और लंबी सी एक नाक, छोटी सी एक दुम है और लंबी सी एक नाक। वो गोल गोल सी आंखें और बड़े बड़े से कान, वो गोल गोल सी आंखें और बड़े बड़े से कान। पेट है उसका मोटा, दो लंबे लंबे दांत, पेट है उसका मोटा, दो लंबे लंबे दांत। बच्चों का है साथी, नाम है उसका हाथी, बच्चों का है साथी, नाम है उसका हाथी।
किसने बनाया फूलों को, फूलों को, फूलों को? किसने बनाया फूलों को? अल्लाह ने बनाया फूलों को हम सब के लिए। किसने बनाया तितली को, तितली को, तितली को? किसने बनाया तितली को? अल्लाह ने बनाया तितली को हम सब के लिए। किसने बनाया मछली को, मछली को, मछली को? किसने बनाया मछली को? अल्लाह ने बनाया मछली को हम सब के लिए। मियां मगरमच्छ हमको बता दो बिल्कुल सच, तुम है तुम्हारी इतनी मोटी आंखें क्यों है छोटी छोटी? हम कोई गपशप नहीं करेंगे, जो भी आएगा गड़प करेंगे। A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, B. C for cat and C for cup, K. D for dog, D for dots, D. बारह महीने इस्लामी हिजरी के याद रखे, 12 महीने इस्लामी हिजरी के याद रखे। सोचे समझे देखे भाले इनको ना भूले, सोचे समझे देखे भाले इनको ना भूले। पहला मुहर्रम दूसरा सफर इन दोनों के पीछे पीछे, रबीउल अव्वल रबीउल सानी, जमादिउल अव्वल जमादिउल सानी। पहला मुहर्रम दूसरा सफर इन दोनों के पीछे पीछे, रबीउल अव्वल रबीउल सानी, जमादिउल अव्वल जमादिउल सानी। बाकी छह की ये तरतीब, बाकी छह की ये तरतीब, रजब शबान रमजान शव्वाल ज़िल्क़ादा, रजब शबान रमजान शव्वाल ज़िल्क़ादा।
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, touch your nose. Teddy bear, point to your toes. Teddy bear, wear your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have 4 sides. I'm a square. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle, I'm a pointy little shape. I have 3 sides. I'm a triangle.
देखो बच्चों देखो तितली, सुबह सवेरे आती तितली, फूल फूल पर जाती तितली, मीठा रस खाती तितली। रंग बिरंगी पंख सजाए, सबके मन को भाती तितली। देखो बच्चों देखो तितली, सुबह सवेरे आती तितली।
Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
Every kid should know that adding means to put together. Subtracting, that means to take away. Let's sing about that. Add means put together, subtract means take away. Plus means put together, minus means take away. We're going to say a story today about adding together. Once upon a time, there were 3 frogs. Then 2 more came to join them. How many frogs were there all together? Let's see. We could count all those frogs that came along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere.
Tables is going to help you massively when you come to division. You'll be faster and you'll take less paper than somebody doing long division. Let's take a look at this one. 675 divided by 5. Divided by 5 tells us that we're going to be using our 5 times table knowledge. Let's have a go at the sum. Set it out and use plenty of space between every digit so you've got lots of room to work with. And the first question we ask ourselves is, how many 5s are there in 6? Well, there's one group of 5 in 6 and there's one left over. And that remainder one goes right here. And now we say to ourselves, how many 5s are there in 17? Well, 3 5s are 15, so we can put the 3 on the answer line, but we have a remainder of 2 also, and the remainder goes here. And now we say, how many 5s are there in 25? Well, count by 5s, 5 5s are 25. There's nothing left to deal with, we have no remainder, we're all finished, and it's correct.
Hi, welcome to Math Antics. In our last video, we learned the basics of multi-digit multiplication. We learned how to multiply a multi-digit number by a one-digit number. But in this video, we're going to take it to the next level. We're going to learn how to multiply a multi-digit number by another multi-digit number. You remember the procedure for multiplying when we have a one-digit bottom number, right? You break up the problem into a series of multiplication steps, one for each of the top digits. And in each step, you just multiply the bottom digit by a top digit, starting with the ones place and working your way left until you've multiplied all of the digits. Well, when the bottom number of your multiplication problem also has more than one digit, you have to do that same procedure we learned for each bottom digit. For example, if you have a 2-digit bottom number, you multiply the first digit by each top digit, and then you multiply the second digit by each top digit. That means you're going to have twice as many steps to do, and it means you're going to get 2 different answers. What? How can we have 2 different answers for the same problem? Now don't panic. The different answers are just what you get from doing the multiplication procedure for each digit of the bottom number separately. In fact, it's kind of like we're pretending we have 2 separate multiplication problems that each have a one-digit bottom number, which is nice because I kind of like pretending.
Human beings take food through mouth and digest it in specific organs for digestion. The undigested food is defecated. The food we take passes through a specific canal which begins with buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This canal is called alimentary canal or the digestive tract. The parts of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and anus.
You can feel your heart thudding away every time you put your hand to your chest. But do you have any idea what's really going on in there, or what keeps your heart ticking as it should? Every day, your heart beats about 100,000 times, sending 2,000 gallons of blood surging through your body. Although it's no bigger than your fist, your heart has the mighty job of keeping the blood flowing through 60,000 miles of blood vessels that feed your organs and tissues. Food, water and oxygen are essential for the existence of human life. Blood transports all these substances through various channels called blood vessels. Blood vessels involves arteries, veins, capillaries. To keep the blood flowing throughout our body, we have a pumping system, and the heart is the pump, which is composed of muscle that pumps blood throughout the body, beating approximately 72 times per minute of our lives. The human heart has 4 chambers.
To understand the process of breathing, the thorax region, the rib cage and the diaphragm are observed, which play a vital role in respiration. Present within the rib cage are the pleural membranes, which enclose the lungs. The right lung consists of 3 lobes, while the left lung has only 2 lobes. Both the lungs are associated externally with bronchi, which unite and extend into the trachea. As we breathe, the oxygen molecules enter the nostrils and travel downwards, through the pharynx and trachea, to finally reach the bronchi. From each bronchus, oxygen travels into the lungs. Within the lungs, the bronchus divides repeatedly to form bronchioles. Oxygen travels through these bronchioles and reaches the alveoli, each of which is surrounded by a network of capillaries. As blood flows through the capillaries, the oxygen molecules from the alveolus diffuse into the capillary. This causes oxygenation of the RBCs. The carbon dioxide molecules are released into the alveolus. They are collected in the alveolar chamber, and then from the alveolus, it travels through the bronchioles. Into the bronchus, which finally reaches the trachea and is breathed out through the nostrils.